Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to trade cards in Monopoly, first you'll have to launch the game itself, and then you will find the album symbol in the lowest right corner right here. As you can see right there, I already have my album symbol here on the screen. So after that, you'll find the stickers that you own in the game. So among them, you'll find the ones you have a duplicate of. And as you can see here, I don't really have a duplicate since I just started the game itself too. So once you have a duplicate in your collection, A+1 or corresponding number signs will indicate how many of the cards you own, and choose the sticker by tapping on it. So once you tap the sticker, unfortunately I can't really show you since I don't really have any extra cards to show you. So after that, you will select a friend option with a list of existing friends to whom you might want to send the stickers to. So for example, you want to send this, you just go to your, it will go to redirect you to the friend option, and then you'll have to select a friend who you would want to send it to. Then choose that friend by tapping their username and their send button. And after that, all you need to do to trade the card with the Monopoly Go friends is there. They will receive it in their mail, and there's a friendly reminder that users can only trade up to 5 cards daily. So please be wise in trading this card since there's only a 5 per day limit. So that's how basically you send trade cards on Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.